So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt. Every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas, all you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So if you've been following my journey on this channel on the Rideshare Hub, you might know that I haven't been able to get unemployment benefits. I've not been able to get PUA benefits. And I just wanted to talk about that a little bit because I did recently make a video. I just want to follow up about that. It was called I Need Your Help, because I was asking for help. Not, I wasn't asking for any money, but I basically was saying that if you wanted to help me out, you could use the link down below for GetUpside. I know I've been plugging it a lot, but it does help me out because I can save money on gas. If you use it, I get save money on gas, but you also save money on gas. It's like a win-win thing, but it does help me out a lot. So I wasn't asked for any PayPal money, but I did get a lot of people saying, why don't you just get PUA benefits? Why don't you just get unemployment benefits? And a lot of people were, I don't want to say upset with me or angry, but they seemed a little bit like, come on dude, don't go out and drive for Uber and Lyft right now, just get PUA benefits, especially because I do have asthma. So I did want to just, you know, talk about that, address those comments, because it's a very fair question, and I've told a lot of people to get PUA benefits, unemployment benefits if you can. I think the smartest thing to do right now is to get unemployment benefits if you can, if you do qualify for them. So for me, the reason I can't get unemployment benefits is because of the way I have my my business set up, I guess. So I am an Uber and a Lyft driver. That's my main form of income, is through Uber and Lyft. Well, I guess maybe YouTube might be a little bit more. I haven't run the numbers on that exactly, but I basically do YouTube, TikTok, Uber, Lyft, and then I have several brand deals that I kind of work with, like Play Octopus. What else? We did this survey thing for a while, Survey Junkie, but I'm not really doing that anymore. And that's about it. Instacart too. But yeah, I basically have a bunch of different forms of income. So what I decided to do was put that all into an LLC, a company. I created a company, and it's a limited liability company, but I'm also an employee of the company. The reason I set that up, and this does apply to why I can't get unemployment benefits, PUA benefits. I set up the business mostly for tax purposes, so that my income is, so I don't have to pay self-employment tax on all my income. And then I can put it into, and that's like, that right off the bat saves you about 15% income, at least here in California. I know some states don't have a self-employment tax, so whatever, but that's the main reason. The second reason is that you get a lot more tax benefits, tax write-offs, namely your car. I haven't done this yet, but I know that I can buy a car and it will be like a complete tax write-off if I buy it through the company. I think it needs to be like over 6,000 pounds, which is a really heavy car, which I think is why a lot of YouTubers get like the Model X or like a G-Wagon. because I'm pretty sure that that can be written off in a year, or if it's like not 6,000 pounds, then it can be written off, but it takes 3 years for it to be fully written off. And I am pretty sure that if you just buy a car, normally you can't use that as a tax write-off. You can only write off like the depreciation and interest on your loan. So with that being said, sorry, that's kind of unrelated, but I didn't get the business for the car purposes, but like I got mostly for taxes, but also just so it's cleaner and I can separate my personal expenses and income with my business. So I have a business card, you know, I have a business account, bank account that I run everything business related to, and then I have my personal account, which, you know, if I want to get a haircut or something, I just buy, you know, that's personal. Or if I want to buy clothes, that's all personal. And then if I, you know, want to, if I need to fix my car or something, I run that through the business because my car is a business expense. Or if I'm ordering food, I'll run, like, I have it all separated. But all that to say is I'm an employee of my company, so I'm a W-2 employee. I actually get a paycheck from my company. So I have it totally separate, like it's separate, which sometimes I will actually hire people for like to do something for my YouTube channel or to do like social media or something, and I have to pay them through the business, and a lot of times I have to do that through PayPal, and a lot of people don't like PayPal. They want to get Venmo or cash, and they say, oh, just pay me cash, pay me Venmo. I say, no, sorry, I need you to write me an invoice. I need to pay you through my PayPal account. And they go, why? I always get Venmo. I'm like, well, look, I'm not hiring you. My company is hiring you. So the company is paying you. If I just give you cash, that's me as a, you know, I'm basically you. Like, I'm also being hired by the company. Like, we all get paid through the business. So, but anyways, sorry, that was a little bit unrelated. But I just want to like communicate so you guys understand the way it works. It's separate. So I'm like a individual working for this company that I also created. So it's kind of weird, but that's how it all works. It's very normal. A lot of social media influencers do this. Most YouTubers do this. Yeah, it's very, very common if they have it set up legitimately. If you go, you know, if you have an account and everything, that's how they advise you to. Usually, I don't want to say everyone does. I'm not a certified public accountant, disclaimer. This is how I do it. So I can't, number one, I can't file for PUA, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, because I'm not an independent contractor. I'm actually an employee. I'm ruled out of PUA benefits. Secondly, I can't get unemployment benefits because I haven't lost any income during this time. I'm still getting my paycheck from my company. So I'm still getting this, you know, my income hasn't gone down, it hasn't gone up, it stayed exactly the same. Even if my income did go down, I'm not gonna get unemployment benefits from my own company, because then my own company would have to be paying for those unemployment benefits. I guess I probably would get more money from the federal government, but what I decided to do is get the PPP loan and EIDL. So I did end up getting those two things. Well, I got the EIDL advance of $1,000. Whoop-de-doo, $1,000. That's gonna last me a week living in California. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you did want to help me out, I would really, really appreciate it if you use my link for GetUpside. It's my referral link, so if you use it, I'll be able to save 15 cents off per gallon of gas, which doesn't sound like a lot, but for me right now, it really is a lot. So and then you could also get that too, 15 cents off per gallon. So I don't know, if you spend 15 gallons, if you fill up your gas for 10 gallons, that's $1.50, 2 gallon or 20 gallon. But it's 15 cents plus up to 25 cents. So it's like at least 15, but it could be 40 cents. So I know a lot of people say, oh, I got like $4 off, $5 off. But you might only get $2 off. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to say. I just want to update you guys with, you know, why I got denied PUA benefits, or why I can't. I guess I didn't really get denied because I didn't apply, but I guess, I mean, I did reach out to them and they said no. So I mean, that, I guess, yeah, I guess I did get denied. But so yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, use the link for GetUpside. I would appreciate that a lot. They're in over 40 states, 12,000 locations. So yeah, hopefully you can save money and I can save some money too. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye, guys.